Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s, and let me show you how to reset all settings on this device. First, unroll the list of all apps, enter the settings, go to General Management, scroll a bit lower, then select Reset, and here you will notice Reset All Settings. Mark it, and now if you truly want to reset all the settings on your phone, except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps, mark Reset Settings. Now confirm it by entering your pattern and click on Reset. Now just wait till it's done. It may take up to 1 minute. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.